Hi there, I am your examiner Basharat Ali, and you are Mr. Ajmal. Am I right?
Yes, you are right.
Okay. Can you spell your family name for me, please?
Muhammad.
You need to spell your full name.
Muhammad. Muhammad Ajmal. Ajmal. Muhammad Ajmal.
Okay, Muhammad Ajmal. Thank you very much. Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
Okay, thank you so much. Now we are going to talk about our topic one. This is our part one, and I am going to ask you some questions about your activities. First of all, tell me, do you have a favorite film or actor or director?
Yes, I have a favorite movie. The movie name is Wanted. It is a Hollywood movie.
I am not talking about movie. I am talking about film actor or director.
What do you mean?
There is written who. When there is who, it means we are talking about a person. Who is the film actor that you like? A hero.
Uh, Tom Cruise is a Hollywood film actor. I like him very much.
Okay. How many languages can you speak?
I can speak Urdu, Punjabi, and English.
Okay. Three languages?
Yes,
Okay. How often do you take physical exercise?
I take physical exercise daily,
Okay. For how much time?
15 minutes daily.
Have you made anything useful or decorative for your home?
Yes, very things I have made and decorated for my house. Recently, I have made a cupboard for my bedroom.
Okay. Do you like to play games?
Yes, I like to play games.
What games do you like to play?
I like to play badminton and cricket.
Okay. And which one is your favorite?
Cricket is my favorite game.
Okay. Do you play it physically or do you play on mobile phone?
I played physical.
Okay. Now we are going to talk about our part two, that are situations. These are some situations that I am going to talk about, and there will be some options that I start or you start. And first situation is I am a teacher visiting your school. I start. Could you tell me where I can find the director's office, please?
You can find the director's office in the admin block.
Okay. The next situation is I am a passenger on the same train as you. I start. I have got lots of heavy luggage. What can I do?
You can do many things. First, you can ask some the passengers like me to help you, or you can hire a porter.
Okay. Will he take money from me? Will he charge me?
Yes, a porter can charge you.
Okay. Now, the next part of situations is this will be from you start. And I am a waiter in a cafe. You are not happy with the food I have given you. You start.
Yes, this is not food. This is not a fresh food. I think you use some rotten vegetables in it. Please return it.
Okay, thank you. Now I am going to ask you last situation. You are at the dentist. You want to make an appointment. You start.
Hello, I have a pain in my dent.
Can you repeat it, please?
I can't
I
see
cannot hear you
clearly,
clearly.
doctor. Please.
Can you repeat it, please?
Hello. I want to check up. Yes, I'm repeating. I want to check my dent. Want to check my teeth because I have a pain. So please make appointment for me.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, these two parts are over now. We are going to the third part, part three. And now, please understand first, then we will ask some questions and give some answers. In part three, we are going to talk about communication in 21st century. Our class is presenting a project called Communicating in the 21st Century. There is a sheet. You can see there are 6 types of communication that are being used in the world. Now we have to talk about will these conversation or communication methods will be used in 50 years from now or not in the future. Have you got whatever I said?
Yes. There are communication things that will be used in next 50 years, like calling and video calling.
Your internet is not stable. Please speed.
In the next 50 years, which we will communicate with calling and internet calling, video calling.
Okay, please speak loud, and I am going to ask you some questions. First of all, do you still use happy birthday cards? Do you send someone?
No, this is not used in our country now, nowadays.
Have you ever given birthday card to someone?
No, I never gave anyone to birthday card.
What do you think? Will birthday card will be popular in the future, next 50 years or not?
No, birthday card will not be popular in next 50 years. This is the technology era. In the next coming years, with the internet and other video calling apps will be more popular.
Now, in next picture, we are seeing some gestures. There is a girl and boy who are pointing each other. And do you know how to communicate by gestures? Do you know by yourself?
No, I don't know.
Okay. Do you think we need this communication of gesturing in next 50 years?
I don't think so.
But I think so because there are many people who are dumb and deaf. They have to use this. Otherwise, they cannot communicate with each other.
Yes, you are
Okay,
right.
this is my point of view. That was yours.
You are right, but I think the internet and video calling is more popular.
Okay. What about this? This is a girl who is making audio call. Do you think audio call is more important than video call? Or video call
Yes,
will be more
audio,
important in next 50 years?
audio call is more important than video call because you don't need any internet connection for audio call, but you need internet connection for the video call.
Okay. There's a woman who is texting to someone. She might be emailing to someone or doing something. Or she is chatting or something else. What do you think? Will this technology will be popular in next 50 years or not?
This will be very popular, but not as video calling and audio calling.
Okay. And what about professional fields? If someone is doing business,
Please repeat again.
in business, people have to use emails.
Yes, many people use email for business.
So this
It
will
will
be
be very
popular, I
popular.
think, in next 50 years.
Yes, it will be very popular in next years. But the communication, the communicating ways of calling everybody calling will be more easy and popular.
Okay, what about
This is
this letter? We used to email someone. This was the mail. Because now we use email, but this was the mail that we used to send when there was no phone. Do you think will it be popular in next 50 years or it has been obsolete?
No, it will not be popular because it is very old way of communicating. Now people have more fast ways to communicate with each other.
There are some faster ways nowadays that people use. Okay, thank you so much, Ajmal. Now we are going to talk about our next part, that is part four, and this is our last part. There's one topic that I am going to give you, and you have to talk about it. Your topic is your favorite holiday place. You have to speak for 1.5 minutes, and if you are ready, you can speak, or if you want to take time, you have 1 minute to prepare for your topic. You can write your keywords or anything you want to write, and you can read it.
Murray is the most beautiful and popular city of Pakistan. It is a very, it is a big tourism point. I want to visit Murray. Its climate is very pleasant. People from other nations also come here in summer to enjoy their summer vacation. I will, en- I will, I would like to enjoy cable car and horse riding.
Okay, I think it's enough from your side. Okay, now there are some follow-up questions. First of all, what would it be like to live in that place all the time? If you want to live there for all of your life, what it will be like?
Uh, it is very interesting to live there because its climate is very pleasant.
Okay. Do you think that place will change in the future?
Yes, as things changing very soon, this place will also be changed.
Okay. Which other places would you like to visit?
I like to visit northern areas, Pakistan, Swat, Salam, Gil Saifu Malu,
What
Sheikh
kind
Saifu
of
Malu.
holiday place? Okay, carry on. Do you want to speak?
That
Okay.
no,
What kind of holiday place would you not enjoy? What kind of holiday place would you not enjoy?
I would not enjoy places
Can you repeat it, please?
where there are many places that have not a uh, clean environment. I would not like to taste them, to visit them.
Okay. Thank you very much. Your test is over now. This was your test.